Conservative estimate. Your first year, you close 1 to 2 smaller deals. Total commission income somewhere between $15,000 and $35,000. That's a rough first year, and you need savings or another income source to survive it. Realistic estimate. By year 2 or 3, once you have a pipeline and referral relationships, many solo brokers land in the range of $60,000 to $120,000 a year in commission income. Optimistic estimate. Experienced brokers working larger Main Street deals, or those who join a brokerage with strong deal flow, can push past $200,000 annually. Profit margins in this business are unusually high once you're established, often 70 to 85%, because your overhead is mostly your time, not physical costs. Break-even analysis. If you go the low-cost route, roughly $1,000 to $2,000 in, you can break even with a single small deal, sometimes within your first 6 to 9 months. If you go the full certification route, break-even usually takes 12 to 18 months, once your second or third deal closes. Biggest mistakes people make in this business. Chasing big deals before they have any track record, not building a referral network with accountants and attorneys who are the real gatekeepers to seller introductions, underpricing their services just to win a first client, and quitting around month 4 or 5, right before the pipeline usually starts converting. Now, the market gaps. Most brokers cluster around generic, buy or sell a business positioning. The underserved niches are industry-specific brokering, HVAC, home services, healthcare practices, e-commerce brands, where you become the go-to broker for one specific type of business. Another gap is smaller micro deals, businesses valued under $500,000, which bigger firms often ignore because the commission isn't big enough for them, but it's a perfectly viable niche for someone starting out. Here's how to actually start. Step 1. Decide your specialization and target deal size. Step 2. Get trained, either through a certification path or by working under an established brokerage for 6 to 12 months first. Step 3. Set up your legal structure, insurance, and basic website. Step 4. Build your first 20 relationships with local CPAs, attorneys, and financial advisors, because they're your referral pipeline. Step 5. List your first client, even if the commission is small, to build your track record. Step 6. Systemize your intake and follow up so referrals don't fall through the cracks. On tools, you don't need heavy inventory software here, but you do need a website that builds trust with sellers, and a CRM to track every lead, every conversation, and every deal stage, because losing track of a warm lead in this business means losing a 5-figure commission. This is exactly the kind of setup where it's worth having it built properly instead of duct taping free tools together. If you want a website and CRM system built specifically around how business brokers actually work, SoftAngles can set that up for you. Book a free consultation and estimate. Link is in the description. To be clear, SoftAngles handles the website, CRM, and software side only. The deal-making and business strategy is on you. Marketing strategy. Online, this means an active LinkedIn presence, a simple content strategy showing you understand valuations and deal structures, and a clean website that ranks locally. Offline, this means attending local Chamber of Commerce events, building relationships with accountants and estate attorneys, and joining local business associations. On a low budget, focus almost entirely on relationship building with referral partners. It costs nothing but time and consistently produces the best leads in this industry. To scale, you eventually bring on junior brokers, expand into more industries, or partner with M&A firms for larger deals. Now the risks. Long sales cycles that can stretch 6 to 12 months per deal. Deals falling through at the last minute, which happens more often than people expect. Needing a financial cushion to survive your first year. And in some states, potential licensing complications if real estate is involved in the sale. Do this. Build referral relationships before you need them, specialize instead of trying to serve everyone, and treat your first year as an investment year, not a payday year. Don't skip insurance to save money, don't oversell your experience to a seller, and don't expect month 1 income. Final verdict. Is this worth starting? If you're patient, relationship-oriented, and can survive financially for 6 to 12 months without income, yes, this is a genuinely strong long-term business with high margins and growing demand. If you need quick cash flow or you dislike sales conversations, this is not for you. Start it if you have some savings and a network to build on. Avoid it if you're looking for a fast side income. If this breakdown gave you a realistic picture of what it actually takes, subscribe for more honest, numbers-based business breakdowns. No hype, just what actually works. And if you're at the stage where you need a professional website or CRM system to support your brokerage business, book a free consultation with SoftAngles. Link is in the description, and let's get your systems built right from day one.